Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Zara. House of Zara is very well known. They don't need introduction. They are a basically designer clothing brand from Spain, and they've been around for 30 years plus. And for the last 10-15 years they started venturing into perfumes, fragrances, and they have a massive, extensive, huge collection of perfumes for both men and women. The only trouble with Zara is there are a few problems with them. One is they discontinue their fragrances very quickly. So they put out a fragrance, and if you like that fragrance, unfortunately it will disappear very, very quick. Probably within few months it's gone. The other thing is their performance is hit and miss. So sometimes you get a very good performer, sometimes you get a very poor performer, sometimes in between okay. So let's see how this one is. So this one in particular is it's called Unexplored Noir by Zara. It's 100 ml eau de parfum and is aimed for men. This one in United Kingdom you can find it for £23 from Zara themselves, or if you go to their shop. In other places you have to do your research, Google it and see how much it costs. The good news is Zara, they ship globally anywhere in the world. Obviously there are exceptions to the rules. There are some parts of the world that they cannot send, but majority of the world they can send it. So as you can see, simple packaging, simple box. This is their philosophy: minimalistic, simplistic, and I like it. Give me this is what I always say in my videos: give me the simplest bottles, simplest boxes and simplest presentation, but give me a good juice inside. I'm very, very happy. But the reverse, if you give me a very elaborate, over the top, very, very complicated packaging and the bottle, and then the juice is poor or it's not good, what's the point? It's going to be a waste of money, waste of time and waste of resources. So let's see. This one opens, slides like this, I think. Sorry about that. Yeah, slide like this, and then you are alright. How is this? So let's, alright, so open, and the bottle is very good looking. Again, very minimalistic and simple and classical, but I like that. I like that design. So for now let's just leave it. Okay, beautiful bottle, quite heavy, quite thick, and it says Unexplored Noir by Zara, 100 ml eau de parfum, and the cap is plastic. There's nothing to talk about. The atomizer is modern and it is black, and here we go. Good atomizer, not the best, but it's okay. No, okay, but it gives a good mist. Alright, so how is the first impression for Zara Unexplored Noir? Here we go. First impression. Ooh, beautiful. First thing it hits me is the woodiness. So it's very, very woody, and is a tiny bit of smokiness at the moment. Very nice. So yes, spicy, woody and smoky, little bit of earthiness. Goodness me, chocolatey feel to it, caramel, chocolate, sweet, but it's not over sweet. From 0 to 10 being the sweetest, for the first impression is around 6 to 7, so it's quite on the okay, good, moderate side of sweetness. I can't get over that smokiness. Beautiful. It's very, it's not over the top smokiness. It is quite smoky, but it's not a huge smoker. It's medium again. If 10 being the smokiest fragrance ever, which is Encre Noir by Lalique, this is around 5, so it is medium smokiness. And also it's got a little bit of darkness, again, medium darkness. So everything in here is just moderation and medium. But what a beauty. I can smell definitely cedar, I can smell sandalwood, I can smell a little bit of woodiness into it. I'm not sure if the oud in here, but it's just a hint of it at the moment is in the background, giving it that resinous woody feel. I'm not sure if it's a, yeah, it feels like it anyway. So very, very spicy right now. So the spices, I'm getting a little bit of pepperiness, a little bit of cinnamon definitely, and a little bit of cardamom. That cardamom always giving it that beautiful sexy body, and the cardamom here is very sensual and very sexy. Beautiful. That smokiness is gorgeous. So the smoke probably is come from the woods, or is come from something that is in the background which is giving it that smokiness. Maybe there is a leather, or it could be oak moss or something like in that nature. So it's quite on the smoke side of things, but beautiful. It's done very, very well. A little bit powdery, a little bit dusty, and also a little bit of that smokiness. But overall, it could be unisex easily. You know, anybody can wear it. They aiming for men, and yeah, to some extent, it's a little bit on the masculine side. But it is one of those universally liked fragrance. It's not challenging in a way, and also it could be easily worn by ladies. I can smell something in the middle which is aromatic, giving it softness, and that aromatic softness is telltale sign of violet. So violet usually give aromatic, that's a little bit of powderiness, and I can smell it in here. So it's probably most likely to be violet, or maybe even lavender in here, to give it that beautiful aromaticness in the mid, and also a little bit of softness in the mid. Beautiful chocolate caramel, smoky, and also a little bit of earthiness, a little bit of obviously woody. When it opens up, it opens quite a big wood, so I'm expecting it to be a few wood, most likely to be cedar, sandalwood, and maybe even a hint of oud in here. But at the moment it's a little bit on the gooey, sticky, and also on the resinous side, so it's quite resinous. Beautiful, gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So for first impression, Zara Unexplored Noir, beautiful. So the noir part of it is correct, because this is quite on the dark side, quite on the smoky side. Unexplored, I'm not sure what it means, but it is what it is. Presentation very nice, especially for the price, around 23 quid. The juice itself is very, very very good, and also very balanced, very well done, very well constructed, and very well blended. So overall, for a first impression, yes, I'm loving it. This one is better suited for going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, and things like that, because it's very, very opulent. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side. Although it is universally liked fragrance, but it's got an edge to it, and that edge is coming from those smoke and spiciness together, and also woodiness. In terms of sex, as I said, it could easily be unisex, but it leans a little bit on the masculine side. And in terms of season, this is all year round. You can easily wear it in heat and in the cold weather. You have to control the trigger in the heat, less in the heat or summertime, and more trigger on the winter or colder time. Overall, for a first impression, absolutely yes, I'm loving it. I will let you know in the next video the longevity, development, and things like that. But for a first impression, is very well done. Very good perfumery in here, very balanced. It opened up beautifully. No harshness, no chemical, no synthetics, no alcohol. So for Zara, this is very, very well done, especially for that price, 23 quid. This is very, very well done. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself, I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. They are true handmade perfumes. They are very mysterious, ancient, historic. They are like a time capsule. When you put them on, it takes you to the ancient times. They are very beautiful, very highest ingredients I could get for that price. And they are amazing value for money, 100% natural, ultra beast mode, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.